for credit education, which is digital, and that's why you can't get a refund. The other reason why you can't get a refund is he's not selling you credit repair. He's giving you credit repair for free for buying the digital education. What are you doing tonight? So how many of you have ever heard of the Credit Game University? So yeah, apparently the FTC raided their building, I believe yesterday, maybe the day before. I think he's finally going down, which, you know, I don't feel bad for him. I don't wish bad on anybody, but, you know, whatever happens to him, he deserves it. You know, he hides behind his digital education, and he does it so well. He does it so well. He markets it as you're paying for credit education, which is digital, and that's why you can't get a refund. The other reason why you can't get a refund is he's not selling you credit repair. He's giving you credit repair for free for buying the digital education. Well, I think his days are over. Hopefully so. Things that are happening with the software I'm using, some really, really good things. I won't go into detail, so don't ask me. Just know that it's only going to get better, which is obviously a plus for me and everyone that signs up for my services. I can tell you right now, the My Free Score Now, the version on my website, I actually put it in the link of in the chat, sorry. That is the best one for the software I use, and within about 2 weeks, maybe 3, it's gonna be even better. Heck, definitely call, email, leave a voicemail, whatever you gotta do. You know, I hope everybody gets their money back. You know, everybody definitely deserves their money back. What do I think is going to happen to him? He'll probably pay a bunch of money, get out of it, and he'll have certain restrictions on what he can do as far as, you know, business types or whatnot. What I wish would happen to him is they would just go ahead and lock him up, because the amount of money he was bringing in a day is just mind-blowing. You know, and I'm not going to say no numbers or anything like that, but it's more money in a day than the average person makes a year.